Hey guys, Omar here with ABC Austin Service Express, and we are changing out a system today. And we came out here yesterday and found the system was 1997. So let me show you some of the things that happen when the system gets really old like this. So we're going to take a look at the this is the condenser, that is the furnace right here, and that's the evaporator coil. Condenser again, but you can see down here that all you see the different color. This is like the black color, and then you see like grayish white. Well, you can see like down here it's starting to deteriorate. So if I get something like this, see how it starts to fall off? That is not normal at all. So what's happening is things like this, you get like maybe rodents, some dogs, or things that maybe urinate on it and cause things like this. Skunks, foxes, coyotes, things get out here. And this is the evaporator coil. You can see that it's very dirty here too. You see all the dirt everywhere, and there's lack of airflow that goes across. You can see where it's cleaner up here. But look at like that section down there. There's no airflow going, and that causes higher electricity bills. That causes the unit to run harder. Causes the compressor, which is in here, to run harder as well. And all these things cause higher electric bills. If you get dirty evaporator coil, there's lack of airflow, so it's struggling to cool the house down. That gives you higher electric bills. If the compressor is working harder, it's causing higher electric bills as well. And all that part that was deteriorated that I showed you earlier, it doesn't remove the heat like it should from those areas. So this unit here is a 3.5 ton. So in reality, after you add up all that deterioration it has, it's probably maybe a 2.75 or maybe a 3 ton. Plus it's from 1997, so it's 26 years old, more or less. So it was time to get it changed. So we're replacing it with a brand new system, and indoor and outdoor, and they'll be happy customers. Okay, so call us for our AC heating and refrigeration needs, 512-448-0532. You can find us on the web at www.abcaustinacandheating.com. You can also find us on YouTube, ABC Austin Service Express. Okay, and subscribe to our videos, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks guys. See you. Bye bye.